Well, it is now July 4th, which is a great day for my American friends, but I'm incredibly frustrated here at the very slow pace that these boat projects have been moving forward with, and it's really my own fault. Well, when I say my own fault, I'm really blaming work, but I need to work because that's how we get the money. But I'm now on vacation, so I really hope that we're going to be able to move forward here at a faster pace in these next couple of days, because they're already racing, of course, at our local clubs, and I'm not there, which does bother me. Many jobs are going on right now. The rudder bearing replacement is ongoing. Fixing soft spots in the deck, that's ongoing. There's electrical work. And today, of course, we also have running the spin halyard, which apparently was lost by the previous owner. I should have asked. So there's usually a story when a spin halyard is lost. But there was no guide wire, nothing. So this is really from scratch, which was a bit challenging to figure out how I was going to do this. But we got it to work. The original plan, I thought, was just to take a fish tape and run it up the mast in through the opening where the spin halyard exits the mast, and I would catch it at the top, but I couldn't get this fish tape all the way through the mast, too many obstructions. Now, so what I ended up doing was going from the top. There's a little opening at the very top of the mast. It's where the Windex attaches, but the Windex has been broken. This must have happened also when the spinnaker was lost. I went in through the top opening, that opening, to the first little opening on the side of the mast, where I was able to catch the end and then feed a line back through the top. And that would be my starting point, I guess you could say. Peace.